Technical consultancy and engineering services for lubrication industry. Good day everyone. Welcome to this technical session on lubrication engineering, reliability optimization and industrial asset performance improvement. This session is presented by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, a specialized engineering consultancy providing technical advisory and engineering solutions for lubrication dependent industries. The objective of this video is to explain the importance of lubrication engineering in modern industries. Common challenges faced by industrial systems. Engineering based solutions to improve reliability and reduce failures. Now, importance of lubrication engineering. Lubrication is not just a maintenance activity. It is a critical engineering function that directly impacts equipment lifecycle, energy efficiency, mechanical wear reduction, operational reliability. In rotating machinery such as compressors, gearboxes, turbines, pumps, industrial drives, improper lubrication can result in premature bearing failure, excessive friction and heat generation, increased energy consumption, unplanned downtime. In fact, industry studies show that a significant percentage of rotating equipment failures are lubricant related. Then next is industrial challenges in lubrication systems. Let us see this. Most industries face recurring lubrication challenges such as incorrect lubrication selection, wrong viscosity grade, incompatible compatible base soils, poor additive selection, then contamination issues like dust ingress, water contamination, particle contamination. Then next is poor lubrication practices, over lubrication, under lubrication, irregular maintenance intervals, all that. Then lack of engineering controls. So here no standardized lubrication plan, absence of system audits, no productive monitoring, all this. So these issues lead to increased breakdowns and higher maintenance costs. Now engineering approach to lubrication. At URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, we follow a structured engineering methodology rather than routine maintenance approach. Step 1, system assessment, equipment criticality analysis, lubrication point mapping, failure history review. Step 2, lubrication engineering study, viscosity optimization, compatibility analysis, OEM versus actual operating condition review. Step 3, contamination control strategy, filtration system evaluation, breather system optimization, cleanliness level definition, ISO contamination standards. Step 4, lubrication program design, lubrication schedules, automatic versus manual system design, standard operating procedures. Then next is reliability engineering integration. Modern lubrication engineering must integrate with reliability engineering principles. Key concepts include condition-based maintenance (CBM), monitoring lubricant condition, vibration correlation analysis, predictive maintenance (PDM), early fault detection, trend-based failure prediction, root cause failure analysis, identifying lubrication-related failure mechanisms, corrective engineering actions. The goal is not just maintenance. The goal is failure prevention through engineering control. Then next is equipment performance optimization. Proper lubrication engineering directly improves bearing life extension, reduce friction losses, lower energy consumption, increased machine uptime, reduced spare part consumption. Industries implementing structured lubrication programs often see reduced breakdown frequency, improved MTBF, mean time between failures, lower total cost of ownership. Then industrial services offered. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited provides end-to-end technical consultancy, including lubrication system engineering design, industrial lubrication audits, failure analysis and RCA studies, reliability improvement programs, condition monitoring integration, training and technical awareness programs. Our approach in engineering driven, data-based and reliability focused. Now business value proposition. Investigating in lubrication engineering delivers measurable business benefits, reduced unplanned downtime, lower maintenance expenditure, improved equipment reliability, extended asset life cycle, higher production efficiency. This transforms lubrication from a cost center into a performance optimization strategy. So, in conclusion, lubrication engineering is a core pillar of industrial reliability and operational excellence. For organizations seeking professional support in lubrication system design, reliability improvement, and technical audits, connect with URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +917359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. Thank you for watching. For more technical insights on industrial engineering and reliability systems, stay connected. Please like and subscribe our channel for the same. Thank you.